Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And today we're out on a Parks on the Air activation. Nothing strange about that. And we're at Park Lima Alpha 2532 Fredrikstad Fortress. Nothing unusual about that as well. But as you guys probably remember, about a week ago, last Monday, I built the K4OGO Coastal 20 antenna. And life has happened, work has happened, bad radio conditions has happened, so I haven't been out testing it before today. So today we're going to put it on the paces through a Parks on the Air activation. So let's take a look at the antenna first. And the antenna is just taped to a DX commander pole strapped to this garbage can here. And we have the counterpoise going down here, taped about a meter off the ground, going up to the eBay 91 on there, and the driven element going up 17.5 feet. That's 5.34 meters about. Then we have the coax going approximately 90 degrees off and into the mobile shack here. And the radio today, as is usual, the X6100, going out with 10 watts. I like doing QRP. I'm a sucker for challenges. So that's the setup for today. I'm really excited to see how this will perform. I've done some SWR scanning on the antenna, and it seems to be under 2 without a tuner on every band from 20 and up. So we'll get going. We'll do as usual. I'll call some CQs. You look at the scenery, and we'll see how the antenna performs. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the Air. Park Lima Alpha 2532, Park Lima Alpha 2532. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the Air. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Good afternoon, Luis. 5 and 7 today. 5 and 7 in Norway. QSL. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Do you copy? Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Do you copy? Over. QSL 5 and 7, 57 today, over. Echo America 4 Tango Lima, do you copy? Do you copy? This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, do you copy? Over. Negative, nothing heard, broken contact. QRZ Parks on the Air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Good afternoon, Don. You're about 5 and 7 today. 5 and 7 QSL.
QSL there, Morten. Very good day to you there. Thanks for the 5 and 7. And 5 and 7 also. 57 also. And I'd like to work you for the club call as well there, Morten, which is Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie. 5 and 7 also. 57 also for the club call there, Morten. Roger?
Roger, Mike 0, Oscar, Mike, Charlie, I think it was, looks correct, 5 and 7 there as well. As usual, testing out a new antenna. I'm testing the K4OGO Coastal 20 today, which is a random wire vertical antenna there, so happy to see it working there, Don, over.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, okay, yeah, well, sounding okay, no problem. Bit of noise on the frequency, not from you, just a bit of spurious noise came up there, but certainly not from you, but the aerial's certainly working well there. Okay then, Morten, all the best, crack on, 7-3s, and thanks for another park, always a pleasure there. Take care, have a good day.
7-3, QRZ Parks on the Air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Echo America 4 Tango Lima, Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima.
Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, 5 and 9 now, 5 and 9 Luis, do you copy? Over.
Aquí es el Roger, thank you. He's a 5x3 space, 5x3 space, Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 3 Spain, and thank you for hunting, Luis 7-3.
Okay, thank you for the contact 73. Go activation 73 the Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Echo Alpha 8 Echo Delta, about a 5 and 3, 53 today, over. Thank you for hunting, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima 5 and 9 59 QSL.
Aquí es Roger, thank you for the 2-1, okay? Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima is a 5x5 spin, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 5 Spain there, Luis 7-3, and thank you for hunting.
23, thank you. Go activation. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Some days you get lucky doing Parks on the air, and some days you don't. This was one of the days where I didn't get lucky, and I think luck was the factor here, or band conditions, and not the K4OGO Coastal 20 antenna. Bands are unusually dead now. Probably a combination of the solar storm that happened last Friday and the WPX contest that was this weekend. I guess people aren't that keen on being on the radio. Managed 5 HF contacts on the K4OGO Coastal 20 and 1 FM 2-meter contact. So didn't activate today, but sometimes that doesn't matter though. You get out, you get some fresh air, you get to enjoy something else than being at home, and you get to experiment. And that is what ham radio is about for me. So I'm not disappointed though. And those are 6 more contacts towards my kilo in this park. So I'm happy nonetheless. I'll be taking the K4OGO Coastal 20 antenna out for another spin soon though. See how it performs in better band conditions, because I think this is a winner. I saw that in Walt's video that this antenna is good. So don't worry, Walt, I'll try your antenna for another spin. Thank you guys for watching this far. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. You're watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. If you want to support the channel, please do consider clicking that like button, subscribing, and or commenting. And if you want to support it a little bit more, there are a couple of ways down below. You can either buy me a coffee, or you can support me on Patreon. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time. 7-3.